Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate trademark artwork using USPTO resources, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate trademark artwork using USPTO resources, first, visit the official USPTO website at www. On the homepage, navigate to the Trademark section. Click on Searching Trademarks to access trademark databases. Select Trademark Electronic Search System or TESS from the available options. Choose the appropriate search option based on your needs, basic or advanced. If you're starting with a basic search, input relevant keywords related to your artwork in the search bar. Make sure to select the correct fields to refine your search results. After entering your query, click Submit Query to view the results. Review the search results to identify registered trademarks that may be similar to your artwork. Click on each trademark entry for detailed information. Pay attention to the status of the trademark to ensure it's currently active. Look for the registration number and the associated trademark classes to understand the scope of protection. If needed, use the advanced search feature for a more detailed inquiry. In the advanced search, utilize various fields like owner name, registration number, or specific class codes. This allows for a comprehensive analysis of trademarks that may relate to your artwork. Next, check for any pending applications that might conflict with your work. Use the Trademark Status and Document Retrieval tool to verify current trademark statuses. Enter the registration number of any relevant trademarks to get specific details. Evaluate the drawings and descriptions associated with the trademark to assess their similarities to your artwork. Analyze whether your artwork qualifies for trademark protection under distinctiveness criteria. Keep a record of your findings for future reference, especially regarding registered trademarks. Should you require further legal advice, consider consulting a trademark attorney for guidance. This concludes the basic steps for authenticating trademark artwork using USPTO resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.